cheesy Buldak and Spam.
Let's eat Flying Dutchman and Buldak noodles.
I also got some bacon. Yes, I made two. Oh, that's good. We're doing Buldak and steak.
I think out of all the spicy ramens, this one is my favorite, the carbonara one. It's a little bit more sweet than the other ones, which helps balance out the spiciness. I can eat this one, whole bag, no issue. Other ones, issue. This one, not too spicy. Alone, or you can make like spring rolls with it.
We have Wingstop and Buldak. You guys know I'm in eviction mode for this baby, and spicy food is the way I'm gonna get him out. So we did do a whole packet. Wish me luck. We got hot honey rub, of course. I said every time I eat this combination, the best combination on the planet. Stew type is so good. Delicious but hot. Last bite. Cheers. Okay, leave it in the comments below. Do we think this spicy food is going to put me into labor? Probably not, but at least.
Today we're eating a Buldak steak sandwich. Have the first bite. Extra Buldak on top. Oh my god, look at that.
Y'all been wanting to try this bacon, egg, and Buldak boil for a minute. Get into this Buldak. Give y'all my last bite.
Hey, what's happening? Let's play a game. Team Spice or no spice? Comment below.
35 eating noodles until I get a car. Cheers. I already ate half of the bread sausage in the other videos that I made. I put the whole spice packet in and I added this cheese that I got from Aldi's, but it's like not a great type of cheese because all the cheese just clumped into one. Usually I can handle a whole spice packet, but not today. I feel like the cheese didn't get distributed among the noodles.
We got some root beer. Okay, yeah. So I added sour cream to this. I usually add heavy cream and gochujang. But the sour cream, I think I might start adding a lot more because it's so much more creamy.
There's a lot going on my plate. Some enoki mushrooms, cucumber salad, buldak, and some soup dumplings. Oh my god. I'm
Let's have some more late night spicy noodles. Cheers. And these are chicken soup dumplings. And then we have a jammy egg. A little spicy, but good.
Creamy cheesy bulldog today, you guys. Year bite. You guys are always asking me how I make them. I have one, but I probably recorded it like a year ago. So I'll just do like an updated one for you guys. The eggs came out perfectly runny today. Sausage. They're a little spicy.
We got buldak carbonara with some mushrooms and dumplings and a fried egg.
always crave late night ramen, but when I do, this is the move.
We got Buldak spring rolls. Dip it in this. Add some sauce. Look at that bite. This one looks so spicy. More sauce. Look at that. Y'all, I will say, this is so spicy. I don't know what I added to make this so spicy.
Wingstop and Buldak Mukbang. Can you see the smoke? Last bite.
The surgeon said that's not normal that the teeth are moving like that. He said it's not a bone problem and that the orthodontist should take a look at it. And I was like, what? We shall find out tomorrow what's happening with his teeth.
Literally the perfect bite. This is genuinely one of my favorite foods. Let's run it back to one of my favorite combinations, Jollibee and Buldak ramen. Take off the flag. Made this Buldak to perfection. Look at that. Would you like a bite? This is just how I remember it. Chicken is perfectly crunchy. It's spicy. Let's do a regular bite with just the chicken. Whew. I made this a little too spicy today, but it's still so good. This combo is insane. Couldn't forget the gravy. Makeup is coming right off, but this is worth it. Last big bite. That was a tad too spicy, but still so good.
Today I have leftover seafood, mussels, some limon. Cheers. Head-on shrimp. Egg. Tater. Y'all, look at this. Some limon. So people were asking me why I called the police when we ran out of gas in that little city in Arkansas. And y'all, I hate to break it to you, but sundown towns, they still exist. And you wanna know what's funny? In that vlog, I actually took a part out where like these two hillbillies literally drove by us holding their horn down. My sister was like, what the fuck? And then she started holding our horn down because bitch, don't honk your horn at us. But that just goes to show like the type of people that lived in that city. But y'all, look at this mussel. Sausage. Limon. And have these mussels.
Today we've got Buldak carbonara with steak and eggs. First bite. Steak. This time I added some cheese and it's pretty good.
For me, when I like my ramen, I like it a little al dente. So it's kind of like, it's undercooked. I don't know, it is cooked, but I like it a little bit more firm and stringy.
Tonight I have a Wingstop and Buldak and a Coke. This is my first time trying it. First, I'm going to try it with the hot honey. Now I'm going to try it with the garlic parmesan.
Let's try Buldak and cheese. Buldak and Parmesan. Buldak and goat cheese. I'm excited for this one. That one was kind of mid. Buldak and mozzarella. Cheddar and almond. This one stinks, so let's get it over with. Buldak and Kobe Jack. I believe this is like a garlic and herb. Paper? Girl, this paper. This is paper. It's paper. But like the cheese is inside, but it's like paper. I took it out of paper, so how's it more paper?
Does anyone else have a really hard time with spicy food, but the taste is so addicting and you're so used to it now, you keep eating it knowing that it's not good for you? Yeah, not me.